Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have 3 more entries that have arrived for my 5K magical giveaway challenge. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I will leave the link down below so you guys can go check out the video of the current challenge that I'm currently hosting. It's in honor of the 5K that I reached on YouTube and Instagram. So yeah, not to sound so repetitive, you guys already know. Yeah, let's get on with the entries. So this one has a bunch of hellos. I love the stamping. And let's see who this is from. This is from Eileen Payne. And here is her entry. And you guys, how beautiful is this? Let me open it so you guys can check it out. Oh, she put some cute little star sequins. Eileen actually did a video response video, you guys. So if you guys want to check that video out, just go into my playlist and check out the video responses that I've gotten so far. But check out her memory decks card. She didn't punch it because she doesn't have the punch. I will be doing that myself. If you guys don't have the punch, you don't have to make it. You could just leave it like that and I will punch it myself. But look how beautiful this is. I love the little rosette with the little sticker. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, Eileen. Your packaging is gorgeous. I saw the video and I told you I loved it so much. Love the color. I love the paper pad she used. Look how cute her packaging is, you guys. Magic Seeker. So cute. I love the little stars she punched out. She also packaged up her card. And look, you guys, this is her handmade card. Let's look at the card right here. Look at this. I love how she did like the little faux stitching. I went through a phase where I did that way in all my projects. It says magic is unexpected. And look, you guys, look at the inside. Isn't that beautiful? I love the coloring that she did. I love that. I like when you guys step out the box and do something totally different. So cute. I love it. So this is entry number 9. You guys make my day with your entries. Now when I get home from work and I see all these packages, I literally just got 4 more right now before I filmed this video. I got 4 in the mail, so I'll be filming that video soon. So that is Eileen, and I will have her Instagram down below so you guys, or her YouTube, so you guys can definitely go check her out. Next entry is from Haley Yuchum. I'm sorry if I like butchered your name. Yoakum, maybe it's Yoakum, but I'll have her, I think I have her handle. Oh, how beautiful. Look at this. And she put up a bunch of like crinkle paper. You guys see that in the inside? I love me some crinkle paper. I took a sneak peek throughout the week for some of these. She sent me some candy, which my girls cannot wait to eat. My wife and my daughter, like, tackle any candies you guys send. Look at this beautiful shred, you guys. Isn't that magical? I love that. I will be definitely saving that. So, she sent me this super cute little figurine, like a little unicorn. Isn't that adorable? I'm going to put that up on my shelf. She sent 3 lollipops, which is 1 for me, 1 for my daughter, and 1 for my wife. Love it. Thank you so much. She also sent me this cute little packaging, and she packaged up some cute little like silver foiled I was gonna say scissors, I don't know why, little flowers. And look how cute she like packaged it up, you guys. Look at that sticker. Isn't that cute? I love it. So adorable. Thank you so much for the extras, girly. And then she sent me a card, which is for me. But you guys, check out her handmade card. Look at that holographic. Look at that. Do you guys see how that moves? That is so beautiful. It says, I eat glitter for breakfast. And she's got these little like felt clouds with little glitter like linings. Beautiful. I love it. She put little gemstones all the way around the I eat glitter for breakfast. And then she just has like the little blank spot that you can fill in the card. And of course, her envelope. So that is her entry for the handmade card. And you guys, look at this packaging. This is her memory decks card. Do you guys see this? How fun is that? Oh, that's her info. I love it. Let me see if I can open this up. She put some little sequins inside the bag as well. Let's take a look at her card. You guys, look at her memory decks card. It matches her handmade card. I love it. It's a cute little rainbow, and then she has like a bunch of sequins, and then like the little unicorn ears and like the little horn on the rainbow. This is gorgeous. OMG. I'm loving that holographic paper in the background. And this is from Haley, and she is Supreme Glitter Queen on Instagram. I'll have her link down below as well. This is entry number 10. So thank you so much, Haley, for entering my giveaway. Thank you, Eileen. You guys are amazing. Definitely go follow them, you guys. We got to spread the love and follow each other. We all love the same thing. And then the last entry of the day is from Gina Valdez. And let's see what Gina sent. I see super pretty packaging. Let me take this tissue paper out of here. Gina also sent me some extras, and this is what they look like. She made me some beautiful embellishments. You guys seeing these? I love that eyelash paper in the background. How adorable are these? Thank you so much, Gina, for sending me some cute little extras. She also sent me stickers. These cute little like, are those like ponies? Excuse me. How cute. And look at how she decorated the top. It's like this cute little crepe bow. And it says hello. Love it. And then she sent me some of these cute little pink gems. You can never have enough of these. I love these. She did this cute little tool bowl. It says smile. Thank you so much for that. And then she sent me this cute little, I think it's like wrapping paper, and she made like a little gift bag. It has this cute little flower. And her entries are in here. I think this little heart was supposed to go right in here. And a little flower thingy. So that's a cute little bag. And you guys, here is her memory decks card. How adorable and pink and fabulous is this? It says believe, unicorn magic. I think it's a stamp. It's beautiful. She added some glitter to like just give it that extra. There's a bunch of layering going on here. We have this cute little pom-pom trim, the tool. I think there's like a little feather back here, some flowers. This is gorgeous. And if you guys want to check out Gina, she's Gina Valdez 08 on Instagram. She will also be linked down below. But that is her memory decks card entry, and this is her handmade card. She put me a little note. Look at that, you guys. Super cute. She gave me this cute little bow clip. And then that's her handmade card. It's white on the inside to be used. And of course, her envelope. But that's her entry. That's her card entry. Thank you so much, Gina, for joining in on the magical fun. You guys, these are the entries for today's video, which are 9, 10, and 11. Definitely check out the ladies down below. Also check out the giveaway if you haven't entered. And stay tuned for more entry videos. And also stay tuned for the prize, because you guys don't know what the prizes are going to be yet, because I've been holding off. I've been thinking I want it to be perfect. Don't forget, 3 winners, 3 lucky of you, 3 lucky ladies or 3 lucky gentlemen are going to win amazing prizes. This is open international, and it is going all the way through the end of August. So if you haven't entered, you still have time. I was going to make it for August 14th, but I had some ladies reach out from overseas and they want a little bit more time, so I extended it to the end of August. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for the love, for the support, for entering, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.